I finally have my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Deluxe Mystery Box. I'm so excited. This was the box that I wanted the most. This was the box I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this. And I can't believe I was able to score it. It literally sold out in 15 minutes and I feel so incredibly thankful that I was able to get this box. So this was a $75 box. It supposedly has a $175 value. I got my merch in a size 2X. I have never bought any merch from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so I really have super high expectations from this box. I honestly have not seen many deluxe unboxings yet, so I'm really hoping that this box is super good. I have no idea what to expect, but so this is the orange box, obviously, and then inside we have a couple of layers of orange tissue paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So obviously all of the boxes I feel like have a pop socket in there. So I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics orange pop socket. I can probably stop saying Jeffree Star Cosmetics at this point. Okay. I am so excited right now. Okay. Ooh, I can't even focus. Okay, so I have 4 liquid lipsticks, or 4 lipsticks. I have something in here. I have no idea what this is. I have a Supreme Frost, a lip scrub, a straw, and a piece of merch. I'm honestly the most excited about the merch in here. I was really hoping to get a red and black tie-dye hoodie, but it's just oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's a black tee. Oh, my camera's gonna be super over right there. We go, camera. So it's a black t-shirt. It has got the green Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo, and then on the back it says, "Hi, how are ya?" Yes. Oh my gosh. And it looks like it's actually gonna be long. Oh my gosh, it is really, really soft. Okay. I'm happy with that. I was concerned that I was gonna get like some like tracksuit, because that's totally not my style, but I'm so happy with this t-shirt. Yes. Okay. So let's go through it and look at the rest. I got this metal straw. Yes. Okay. So it just says Jeffree Star on the straw. It's pink. It's super cute. Okay, I'm really curious to see what this little, oh, it's a Velour Lip Liner. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is in shade Allegedly, and I'm so sorry. I lost my pinky now before we filmed this, and I was trying to open up the box in all honesty, and I lost it. And I was like, I am too excited to open this box to even spend the time re-gluing this back on. But, so I have a lip liner here. I've never seen anybody get any of these in their so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes. I didn't know that these were being sent out. This is a beautiful color. Honestly, this is like a shade that I wear all the time anyway. Okay, so far, this box has been totally worth it. I am so hyped right now. Okay, low, I got a lip scrub, and this is strawberry gum. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to smell it. Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it smells really nice too. Okay, that's super exciting. I love some lip care in here. Okay, I got a Supreme Frost, which I was really hoping to get. I got this in shade Hypothermia. I don't know what shade this is. Okay, this is in a really cool color. I don't think I will be using this on my skin, but totally I could see. I've been putting highlighter recently in my hair, just going out and about. I'll put some like reflective highlighting setting spray, and then I'll put some like gold highlighter in my hair just to kind of add some flair. But this I could also really see in my hair. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I don't know. I just feel like it would be a little too dark to use on my skin, but oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Like, I don't know. I could honestly, I might have spoken too soon. I could honestly really pull that off. It is so freaking gorgeous. I'm just gonna go back in and add some more so we can really see. Wow, that's gorgeous. And then I still have a little bit left on my my middle finger. Like, can you guys see the purple reflective? Oh my gosh. Okay, not mad. I got a couple dark shades in my first mystery boxes from Valentine's Day, and I was a little bit disappointed in them because I haven't really used them as much as I wanted to, but this is gonna get used. Okay. So far so good. I'm so happy with this. Okay, so I have 4 Velour liquid lipsticks. I have, the mystery shade, which I got in my premium box. I have Poinsettia. I love that shade so much. Diva and Mannequin. I have wanted to buy Mannequin for so long. So if you have not seen the mystery shade so far, don't worry, I got your back. It's this really, really gorgeous pink shade. It is so, so pretty. So I'm just gonna do a swatch in case you haven't seen it so far. Like, it's so pretty. I really was expecting it to be like a theatrical color, like a very Instagram makeup color, but that is totally wearable for summer. Okay, and then I'm gonna be trying a Mannequin. Yes! Oh my gosh, okay. Look at that. Yes. Oh my gosh, okay, that is really, really pretty. I am like obsessed with this highlighter. Okay, Mannequin. Oh my gosh, this is totally gonna be a go-to for me now. I've been loving wearing celebrity skin. I can't remember what shade I'm wearing right now, but I am wearing a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour lipstick. And so here I have Poinsettia. I'm so happy that I have this. I wanted this so badly. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous in person. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. Yes, I'm so happy with this box. Like, this is everything that I wanted it to be. And then the last shade I have here is Diva, which is a shade that I got in my Valentine's Day mystery boxes. But honestly, I love using this on my waterline because all of the Velour liquid lipsticks are eye safe. So, oh my gosh, I was so thrilled with this box. This is honestly everything that I was hoping it to be. I was kind of hoping to get an eyeshadow palette because I did see that there was a possibility of getting eyeshadow palettes in the mystery boxes, but I can't wait to see like what people got what. I can't wait to see what everybody else's deluxe boxes got, but I am so happy with mine. I'm so, so happy with mine. So that is everything that I got in my Jeffree Star Deluxe Mystery Box. What did you guys think? This box had me so, so excited. I'm so thrilled with this box. I do have one more premium box coming, so if you're interested in seeing what that has, keep an eye out on my channel. I can't wait to hear what your guys' thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.